Here's a controller from Link4. You got a controller here. Has the internet connection to the phone. There's a temperature humidity sensor there. Temperature humidity sensor reading. I'll take this cover off. And the cover is this hinge window here. So you got a controller, temperature humidity connections. You got Ethernet connection here. Power. That go to a wall plug over there. And it has two 010 outputs and two 010 volts input. You're right here. These are outputs here, A and B, right? 010 output, and this is A and B's 010 volt input. Right now I have just the output wired back to input so we can read off what we're putting out. I also have the signal, the output signal on A connected to this VFD, right, which is driving this fan right here, well, this motor here. So, and on the slider here, let me move it over here. You can see 6.1 volts right there, and I will take this and I just slide it. You know, you could program it with a keyboard as well, but we have like two different modes, the slider, right? So I bring it down to 2.3. You see it here, it dropped to 2.3. It's hard to see, but the motor running slower. Right, I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's running slower there. If I speed it up, right, let's say run it to full speed, let's say 9 volt, that's pretty fast, right? And then there's a few second delay, go to 9 volt there. You can see it run a lot faster, right? It's hard, again, hard to see in the video, but take my word for it. Right, it's running there, pretty simple. Back it off, you know, and use the slide, and then the minute I take my finger off, right, it goes to the cloud, and then you see 5.3 there, and motor slow down. And if I just bring all the way down to 0, right, again, take it out, release, right, it dropped to 0, and then this thing will stop altogether. Okay. Again, temperature, humidity, you can program this thing to do a lot more than just speed control right now, right? I mean, I can go to manual control to here, and you can see, let me get it to focus here. There's hard to see here, but there's lots of parameters that you can control on this thing. You can make it so that the speed is proportional to the temperature and humidity here. You can write down, you know, you can remotely log into the system and do different configurations on, you know, we'll call it aux control, which is these if-then control statement, right? Again, this is to the cloud, right? So just a phone, you could be anywhere, and you can see it here. And one thing, if I back up to warehouse, I can see the temperature, humidity, right? If I go back to the home screen, right, around 81.46, you can see it there. You can see the speed of the fan, A and B, and so it's all here. All right.